So, we are still lost. Yes, we are. You and I. We. This cave is bright because of the glowberries. It is good you can eat them. I am placing some more torches. Why? Because I don't want any more witches or any zombies. This place is really bright. Very bright. Really and very are the same. This place is really dark. Very dark. Bright and dark are not the same. They are different. Yay! We found some red stone. Is it useful? Yes, we can use it for the railway. Yay! I will place a torch here too. Two and also are the same. Yes, that's right, my friend. Red stone and lapis are different, not the same. Oh my God! Diamonds! Yay! I'm gonna get them. Perhaps there will be a lot. No, but there is some gold. Is gold useful? Yes, we can use it for the railway too. Yay! I am taking the gold. Taking? Yes, taking it out of the wall. I broke my pickaxe. You will need to make one. Yes, you are right. I want to bring the diamond and gold to the house. Bring? I take the gold from the wall, then I bring it with me to the house. We need to not be lost, though. That is right. I really like the glowberry vines. They do look pretty. Yes, they do. Oh, more diamonds. Will you take them from the wall too? Yes, I will, but I need a pickaxe. Oh yeah, you broke the other one. Break, breaking, broke. I will take these logs and make a crafting table. I need iron to make an iron pickaxe. Are iron pickaxes and stone pickaxes the same? No, they are different. They are not the same. Now you need a furnace. Oh yes, that's right. Will you make armor now? No, I won't. I will make armor later. So you will get some things and then make armor. Yes, I will make armor later, not now. Ouch! That was dangerous. Your health is not good. I will eat some glowberries later. Yay! I got some water. Why? Well, I don't know really. I am gonna drink it. I am drinking water. It doesn't do anything. I am gonna drink some more. I am drinking. I drank another bottle. I don't know why you are drinking. Why not? Now I am eating glowberries. Nice. Oh, we are not lost anymore. Really? Yes. Now, let's not get lost again. Yes, let's not. Ouch! Can you stop falling? Okay. Sorry, Arthur. That's okay. Let's go and see if we can make a pickaxe yet. Let us go. Yay, it looks like we can now. Then later you can get the diamonds. Yes, I want to get them and bring them to my house. Also, let's make some armor. Yay! I will make a helmet for my head. Next, put it on your head. Okay, there we go. It's on my head. It looks good. Thank you. What else? Oi, stop taking the helmet off your head. Put it on your head, please. Oh, I was enjoying that. What else are you gonna make? Nothing right now. Maybe I will make something else a little bit later. What are you doing now then? I am growing glowberries. You didn't get a lot of them. You are right. I still need more glowberries, really. Are you gonna get the diamonds now? Yes, I am going to hit them with the pickaxe and take them out of the wall. There looks like a lot of diamonds. That is good to know. We need a lot of diamonds. What was that? It was the sound of leveling up. How do you level up? I level up by getting XP. Is leveling up useful? Yes, it is. I am happy now because I got some diamonds. What will you use the diamonds on? I don't know yet. Maybe a diamond sword, or perhaps diamond armor. Look, there is some iron up there. Those vines were really useful. That is good then. You can say that again. That is good then. You didn't need to say it again. Oh, right. It was boring, but now I am enjoying this place. Yes, it is good now. What will you make with it? I am making boots. You are gonna have full armor. Yes, I am. I put the boots on, and I took them off. Put them on again. Okay, then. I put them on again. Now I took off my helmet. Stop taking things off. I put the helmet on again. Good. Okay, next I am gonna make a chest plate. Chest plates are big. You need a lot of iron for a chest plate. You are right. They are big. What are you making now? I am making leggings. Now, let's put the chest plate on and then let us put the leggings on. Like that. You have full armor now. Yes, I do. I am really happy now. We should take some more things out of the mine later. Yes, later. Now, I need to use the furnace. Things are really different now. Yes, you are right. We aren't lost anymore. And I have full armor now too. Things are very different. Okay, let's go to my house. Yay! I don't know why we were lost. Because the mine is very big. Perhaps you are right. You will need to plant some glowberries later. Yes, I will. I will grow them on my house. I run and jump a lot. That is why I am hungry and I need to eat. You will need to sleep later. I really like my bed. It is very good. Your house is messy, though. My house is not messy. Well, your chests are messy. Yes, perhaps they are a little bit messy. The sun is out. No bed then yet. I still need to do things. Like what? Like drinking bottles of water from the ocean. That is really dangerous. What happens if I step on this? The door opens. That's right. No food. I will put this iron in my furnace. This furnace is mine. Okay. This house is mine too. Yes, it is. The ocean isn't mine. No, it isn't. Why did you put a moss block there? Why not? I don't know. I want to put glowberries on the house, but I need more bamboo blocks. I will put them here like this. And then what? Then I will plant the glowberries like this. It will look beautiful at night. Yes, it will. You are right. I will place some bamboo blocks here too, like this. Oh, damn it. I need more bamboo blocks. Let's take some wheat. Yes, let's. I need some more food. What can you make from watermelon slices? Watermelons. What? Really? Yes. Wow, that is strange. You are right. It is strange. Got a lot of wheat. Yes, I did. I will take it to the crafting table. I am gonna put the seeds into the composter. And then I am going to eat some watermelon. Right now, I am eating some watermelon. I want a fish. I don't have any fish. Now I am not very happy. Do you want some bone meal? No, I don't. I don't know why I have these. Because they are beautiful? They are not really beautiful. Your house is strange. If I step on this, I fall. It does not look very useful. The magma is useful, and it is dangerous. But if I am underwater, I can breathe. That is very helpful. Yes, it is. I am gonna make a cartography table. What can you use it for? I can use it to make maps. Are maps useful? Yes, they are. Very useful. What will you make next? I will make a compass. I need a compass to make a map. Oh, it looks like the sun is setting. I like sunset a lot. Me too. I also like sunset. You can see the sun going down. I can also hear the sound of bubbles. You are right. This place is really beautiful. It really is. Okay, now I am gonna make an empty map. Empty? Yes. If I go to different places with the map, they will appear on the map. Like zombies at night? Yes, maybe. Here we are, like this. See the white thing on the map? Yes. That is us. Wow, that is really useful. With more paper, I can make a big map like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now what? We can go to many places and put them on the map. Yay! Let's go! Not yet. We need to sleep. Let's look at the stars. Okay, we can use the spyglass and then go to bed. Can you see them yet? Yes, I can. Are they still bright? Yes, they are. Where is the moon? It looks strange. It really does. Okay, bed. Good night, Arthur. Nighty-night.